great travel backpack keeps you organized, comfortable, and ready for any trip, whether you're flying, commuting, or backpacking abroad. Today, I'm ranking the 6 best travel backpacks of 2026 based on real-world testing across weekend trips, business travel, and international adventures. Whether you need a compact personal item or a carry-on for extended travel, there's a backpack here for you. Links are in the description and updated regularly. Let's get into it. Opening at number 6, the Tumi Alpha Bravo Search Backpack is the business travel pick on this list, and the credibility behind this recommendation goes beyond testing notes. The Tumi Alpha Bravo is still just as structurally sound as the day I bought it, worn and well-loved in character, but not in integrity. That 13-year durability record from ballistic nylon construction is the primary specification that no lab test or short-term evaluation can replicate. It's the track record that justifies the investment for buyers who travel regularly and don't want to replace their bag every 2 years. The design is sleek enough for professional environments. You can walk into a meeting from the airport without the bag signaling that you just stepped off a plane. Tumi's brand recognition globally is the bonus. The backpack is a quiet status signal in business contexts worldwide. The lifetime registration and tracking service for lost bags is the premium service that makes losing this backpack less catastrophic than losing a generic alternative. For business travelers who want a backpack that earns status in professional environments while genuinely lasting for over a decade, the Tumi Alpha Bravo is the pick. Number 5 is the Peak Design Travel Backpack 45 liters. 2 weeks of international travel from one bag is the challenge that most travel backpacks fail. The Peak Design 45-liter manages it through a combination of access design and expandable capacity that no other pack on this list attempts. Front access like a suitcase, back access like a traditional top-loading backpack, and side access pockets for quick retrieval without opening the entire bag. 3 distinct access points that accommodate different retrieval scenarios without unpacking everything to find one item. The magnetic expansion system is the engineering detail that makes this pack specifically practical for long trips. It expands from 30 liters to 35 or 40 liters using integrated magnets. No buckles, no zippers to expand, and no fiddling with compression straps. You compress it for the flight home with checked souvenirs relocated or items shipped ahead, and expand it when you need the full capacity for packing day. The padded straps with easy hide capability. The straps can be tucked away when checking the bag or using it as a suitcase-style carry-on. Impressed testers consistently. For serious long-distance travelers who need maximum access flexibility and expandable capacity for extended trips, the Peak Design 45-liter is the pick. At number 4, the Portland Gear Cascade Backpack. The wireframe opening that keeps the bag upright and open while packing is the organizational feature that most travel backpacks don't offer, and that you immediately miss once you've used it. Packing into a bag that collapses as you load it is a frustrating, slow process. The Cascade stays open and structured throughout, making packing significantly faster and more organized. The testers who noted being able to easily access everything inside. The bag's top shape makes it immediately visible and reachable, directly reflected that structured wireframe design. The structured without stiff character is the design balance that Portland Gear achieved. It maintains its shape on a commute or in an overhead bin without the rigidity that makes boxy packs uncomfortable to carry for hours. The hidden zippered back pocket is the security-conscious design detail for travel in crowded environments. Passports, transit cards, and valuables sit in a pocket that isn't accessible to anyone behind you. The waterproof coating handles the unpredictable weather that outdoor travel regularly involves. For travelers who want a structured, organized, genuinely versatile pack that works for both travel and daily use, the Cascade is the pick. The bronze medal goes to the Osprey Farpoint 40-liter. The rounded shape is the first ergonomic detail that distinguishes the Farpoint from boxy travel packs. It follows the contour of your back rather than creating pressure points at corners, which reduces fatigue over full days of travel carrying. The mesh padding is more breathable than the solid padding panels on most competing travel packs, reducing the sweaty back experience that makes carrying a pack uncomfortable in warm transit environments. The balance in carry is what impressed me most in personal testing. The Farpoint distributes weight so evenly across the back, shoulders, and hips that the 40 liters of loaded gear feel lighter than competing packs with smaller stated capacities but poorer weight distribution. It fit enough for a week-long trip using the compression straps inside and outside the pack, and it was carried comfortably across a full travel day without the shoulder strain that heavier loaded packs typically create. For backpackers and active travelers who will be carrying their pack for extended periods, full travel days, hostel stays, and hiking to accommodation, the Osprey Farpoint's ergonomic support advantage over all other packs on this list is the specification that matters most. Number 2 is the BagSmart Travel Laptop Backpack, and the convertible, expandable design combined with the most impressive organizational feature set on this list earns it the runner-up position for travelers who want both flexibility and organization in one bag. The convertible design is the core value proposition. Carry it as a personal item for short trips or expand it to its full 37-liter capacity for use as a carry-on. The physical transition between the two configurations enables the same bag to cover different trip lengths without requiring you to own multiple bags. For travelers who do a mix of overnight trips and longer journeys, the BagSmart adapts without the compromise of traveling with either too much baggage or too little capacity. The organizational features are the standout specifications for this category. Multiple zippered pockets throughout the bag, 2 packing cubes included in the purchase, and a separate shoe pouch, none of which you have to source separately at additional cost. The separate tech compartment accommodates a 17-inch laptop, larger than most competing travel backpacks that max out at 15 or 15.6 inches. For remote workers and tech-heavy travelers, that extra inch of laptop clearance matters. For buyers making a long-term investment, the Tumi above it or the Cotopaxi below it offers better long-term material integrity. And the best travel backpack of 2026 is the Cotopaxi Alpa Travel Pack 35 liters. The clamshell opening is the design decision that defines the Alpa's experience. It opens like a hard-side carry-on suitcase, lying flat and revealing the full interior simultaneously, rather than requiring top-loading through a narrow opening. For travelers who've spent time digging through traditional top-loading backpacks for items at the bottom, the clamshell is an immediate quality-of-life upgrade that changes how you interact with your bag every single trip. The mesh compartments inside the main body provide the visual organization that makes finding things fast. You can see what's in each section without removing everything. The quick access pockets on the top handle items you need repeatedly throughout a travel day without opening the main compartment. The generously padded back panel with hip and sternum straps distributes the weight across your body rather than concentrating it on your shoulders, enabling all-day carry without the back strain that lighter structured packs create when loaded. The Cotopaxi Alpa Travel Pack is the best travel backpack of 2026. The one that handles the widest range of trip types, opens the most intuitively, and organizes the most clearly of everything tested. That's your complete ranked list. The 6 best travel backpacks of 2026. All the links are in the description, updated regularly for current pricing. If this video helped you find the right travel backpack, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we cover every major travel product category with this same depth. See you on the next trip.